I know it's very simple and easy for you to remove the background of an image. There's something that you probably might not know. You can also remove anything on an image using a tool called Inpainting. I will show you how to do this in Affinity. I'm using this image to explain to you how to use the Inpainting brush tool to remove anything on an image. So the first thing to do is to switch to the Pixel Studio and then you select Inpainting brush tool. So you can see we have 5 options here. We have the Inpainting brush tool, we have the healing brush tool, we have the patch tool, we have the blemish removal tool, and then we have the red eye removal tool. So this is how you go about it. You make sure the layer is selected and then you check this side here. Always work on the current layer. Don't choose current layer and below. Always set this to current layer. Make sure your hardness is 0. You can leave this at 100%. You brush on it to make a selection. So you do it like this. And then you can see it's going to automatically remove it for you. When I zoom in, I can see some traces of it. So reduce the size a bit and then paint over it. So let's remove this one. Okay, so you can see I have finally removed everything from this image. So anything that you see off the image is something that I don't want on the image. I just want this image. There's another image I want us to try our hands on. Okay, so this is the image I want to use for the next example. When I zoom in, there's this inner portion of this image here which I probably don't want it. So we grab the Inpainting tool and then we make a selection like this. So you can see it's off. So if there's any other thing I want to remove, probably maybe something like this. This tool is very simple and easy to use. It helps you to remove anything from an image to your satisfaction. I will leave an image link to the description so that you can download it and try your hands on. If you found this video helpful, I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next video.